Slow-loading websites and blogs are a real traffic killer. Not only because people won't wait more than a few seconds for a site to load. Mainly because Google hates slow sites and you will get outranked by faster sites in your niche almost every time. Take a minute and check your site or blog to see how it ranks against other sites. You can do this for free at tools.pingdom.com, and if your web page takes more than 2 seconds to load, then you need to speed it up. Contact your web host and ask them to do it for you. If your site is built on WordPress, then add a free caching plugin. Most of them can be configured automatically and will increase your site speed significantly, and within seconds. It is well worth the few minutes it takes to check your site speed and maximize your loading time. The extra visitors you get will pay off quickly.